Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, For Whom the Ball Rolls, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 12, A Farewell to Arms. You may have won the battle, but watch out! Here comes the war! Petey and the very hangry Ratterpillar were now encased in a charcoal tube. And nearly everyone on the street below was horrified.
Don't worry, nearly everyone. I think I know what's going to happen.
So you think you've got it all figured out, huh, kid? Well, I've got 4 new armies. See? I keep them on my sleeves. Get it? Armies? Sleeves? Come on, seriously? Did you like my arm joke?
Nope, it was a pit.
Hey! I make the corny jokes in this book! Meanwhile, special exhibit, the Hopewood Ring, rare and ancient. Warning, may be cursed. Okay, dear, here's the plan. You're going to lower me down into that museum, and I'm going to steal the world-famous Hopewood Ring. But Piggy, we can't steal. We're defending friends. Did I say steal? I meant protect. You see, a bunch of robbers are gonna try to steal it, and we have to foil their evil schemes. Awesome! What is shiny? Right. Now lower me into that vent, and don't pull me up until you get my signal. Okay. There it is! Behold, the Hopewood Ring. Come to Papa! I've got it! What could possibly go wrong? Meanwhile... The terrified cries for help echoed across the rooftops and fell upon the ears of a hungry, hungry hero. Oh! Chapter 13, Commander Cupcake returns. As the soft pink dusk of twilight blankets the city, one vigilant soul heeds the sounds of despair and bravely responds, masked in the deep shadows of the surrendering sun and armed only with an unquenchable appetite for cupcakes. Our spunky Spartan of Sprinkles barges forth, where even the most valiant fear to tiptoe.
That's not really helping.
Meanwhile, off in the distance, encased in a silent sepulchre of cinders, a startling transmogrification crackles to life from its carbon chrysalis. Oh, come on! I totally knew this was gonna happen! But then... Uncle Larry? Uncle Larry! Come back! No, wait! Stop! Uncle Larry! No! And then... Hey, new guy! My new Ratterfly is even newer than you! I'm not new! I'm not new! I'm not new! Oh yeah? Well, maybe you're not new! But you're gonna need a new robot! You'll never catch me! Whoa! Hey, look! That cupcake-themed superhero just captured the new villain! How'd you do it? Whoa, And look! He just captured Piggy!
And he's recovered the stolen Hopewood Ring!
Gee, it's too bad he didn't capture all of the fleas.
Yeah, I wonder whatever happened to Crunky and Bob.
Here they are! Did we miss anything?
Yes, sure did! Commander Cupcake just solved the crimes of the century!
Hooray for Commander Cupcake! Wait, what?